Dad. Welcome to your dream. Boy, it sure got cold again, huh?
You can talk?
Yeah, sometimes. But hey, listen, I had this idea, and I don't know if you'd like it or not, but I think we should have a maple syrup party. You know, and you could have your friends over, and you could put records on, and you could turn it up really loud, because I know you like turning it up really loud at your parties. And you could do other stuff too, like you could play pool, and you know, everybody really likes to play pool a lot. But if there's people who don't like pool, there's other stuff you could do, like everybody could play darts. Maybe not you though, because you're not very good, but that's okay. But then you could also go into the sauna, because it's nice and warm in there, but I'm not allowed in there. But then if they get too warm, then you could come out of the sauna and maybe sit around the table, and you could all drink maple syrup together, because it's just so delicious. And then you also have to feed people, so there's gonna be food there, right, Dad? And I'm kind of hungry right now. I need to eat. I need to eat. I need to eat. I need to...
You know what? Let's do this. Saturday, March 23rd, we are going to have a maple syrup party. I mean, it's gonna be fun. Bring your grandparents, bring your dog, bring everybody you know. Let's not be shy. We need all the help we can get. This is gonna be one hell of a great time, and I don't think anyone's gonna wanna miss out on this. It's a lot of work to be done. I guess I better get started, eh, Bo? Right, Bo?
Please be advised, now the maple syrup party is not insured. All party goers must BYOB and BYOD. However, a thematically selected dinner will be provided. Please also be advised that at parties such as these, things can get wild from time to time, and Sammy Sugar Shack Inc. will not be held responsible for any short-term or long-term ailments caused by any sugar shacking activities, whether physical, emotional, or otherwise. The only thing that you can unexpect is the expected, but you can definitely expect the unexpected. As such, sleeping arrangements will be limited, so bring up a pull-up mattress or a sleeping bag. Tents are not advised, but they are certainly encouraged. The party starts at 5 and will probably never end, and or last for at least 1 week. So please ensure that your will and testament is accurate and up to date. God bless, and we'll see you in the near and not so distant future.
Cut!